Can cough CPR really save you during a heart attack? Heart attacks are a serious medical emergency occurring when blood flow to a part of the heart muscle is blocked. Recognizing symptoms like chest pain and shortness of breath is crucial for timely help. Cough CPR is the idea that vigorous coughing can maintain blood flow during a heart attack, but it's not widely endorsed. Misunderstandings can lead to risks and delay effective treatment. Stay aware of early warning signs and remember, immediate action can save lives. Learn more at citizenshospitals.com.